Что то? Что? Lima beses. Ito is Bravo. Nawala na yung brush ko, hindi ko na siya makita, guys. Ilawan natin sa loob. I think. Iluwa ko muna. So I need more little bit of this. A little bit of salt. So ayan na siya. Ayun, nawala man akong brush eh. Asa na itong brush? Gibutang. Mas nindot atong brush. Basta kaning duha diri maglihok-lihok ko sa kusina. Oh. Hindi na dyan na makitaan. Hala, this is a lot, tata. Maybe it's not fixed. It's not fit. So, ayan, ato siyang balihon. Balihon nato kay spread natin ang ating, pwede ni siya himay-himayon, kamuton. But, ang akong kamot, guys, is may ano na naman, samad. I have blister from garden, so I cannot do by hand. It's painful. Need to flip other side and so become even the taste. So it's a beef and turkey. Here in Croatia, guys, these are expensive, but if it's sale, it's bagsak presyo talaga. How much, tata? The 3 pieces of 6. Imagine, guys, it's only 2. Yeah. Action. Action means sale. So 1 kilo, 220. 220 euro. 220. So imagine 120 pesos. Maria Alves, shout out. So imagine the turkey legs is only 2 euro here if it's sale. But so this one now ating imikos-mikos na natin, guys, but napakaliit nito, bahala na. Sige, dito. I-transfer natin. If it's a sale, or we call it akcja in Croatia. So, bagsak presyo talaga ang meat nila. Even if lamb or sheep. What is the? Yes, lamb is the sheep and turkey. What is, I forgot now. Na-mix na niya itong tata, lamb is the from sheep. And what is that for the tuka? For tuka. I forgot English ki turka. Yes, turkey. I mean, what is the English? No, it's not. Yeah, but the meat. No, why not? They have pasitonos. Ang anak ko talaga lagi niya akong sinasabihan, be careful with the knife. So this is knife anymore. This is not a knife anymore. So I'm done with the knife. So now I'm gonna spread to our meat. Ayan, guys, meat na natin. Oh, it's a lot. Mikos-mikos lang natin to, ha. So ako talaga ang mag-season kasi gusto ko medyo ano siya, Filipino style, yung medyo salty. Ayan, now, akamuto na lang na ako, bahala na akong blister. So, ayan. Dami, guys, hindi na siya kasya. Meron pa akong allergy right now. I think it's, hello, Toto. The meat. Oh, very, no space. Because of, yeah, kumpiri previous. No, nebash. Nebash. Hala, guys, nasubra na gid siya sa maghugas na ko kaya it's very painful na ang aking kamayers. Lagay na natin dito, guys. Tata, on the oven mo lente pa on the skin it over stipinit sa ay ni Angela. Yes.